Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to correctly set up a leg IK rig for Godot specifically. So let's just get started. First thing we need to do is set up the bones that we'll be using. So I'm going to select the heel right here. I'm going to hit E to extrude. I'm in edit mode. I'm going to hit Y so I go along the Y axis. Make that. I'm going to select the bone and hit Alt P to clear parent. I'm going to select where the knee would be. I'm going to hit E to extrude and then Y to do it on the Y axis. And we'll spread it out right there. This bone also needs to have its parent cleared with Alt P. You want this to be in front of the knee when it bends, so we're going to put it right about here. Put it out a little bit more just in case. Now that we have these bones in place, let's set up the IK. So we need to go in pose mode. I'm going to select this controller bone. Let's go to bone and make sure that deform is unchecked. Let's do that for both of these bones that we just made. You're going to select this controller bone and then the shin bone. And then you're going to hit Shift I, add IK, target selected bone. We're going to go down to the bone constraints here, not constraints there, this bone constraints. And we've already set up these targets. That's great. Now let's set up the pull target. Now, as you do this, we'll select the armature and then the bone. It's going to rotate. It's going to be all screwed up. If you ever wondered why this happens, it's because the x-axis here is trying to point to the x-axis here, but originally it was going along the x-axis, so it rotated in this strange way. Now we can fix this easily by messing with the pull angle negative 90 degrees, just like that, and it's fixed. Now then, this is an okay rig, but we can make it better, and we should make it better so it behaves the way we expect it to when we're in Godot. So we're going to take this foot bone, we need to go back to edit mode, hit Alt P, we're going to clear the parent. With the foot bone selected, we're going to go back into pose mode, we're going to add another bone constraint. This is going to be a copy rotation constraint. For the target, we're going to use our same armature. And for the bone, we want to copy the rotation of our controller. And it's going to mess up here. That's okay. For the target, we're going to set it to local space. And for the owner, we're also going to set it to local space. Like that. Now it's fixed. There's actually one more thing we need to add. Let's minimize this copy rotation. And let's go ahead and add a copy location. With this, we're going to target the rig again. And this bone. Don't freak out. We're going to move this down right there. And with that, we should be done. So let's go ahead and move this, and it's going to behave exactly as you expect. You can also rotate the foot, and that's it. And this will work great in Godot. Hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.